This is a Java Web Start client for the processing resource, and as you can see, information from the main GUI has been passed down here already, and all that it's missing is your password. Once you enter that, you can execute any of these operations that are listed here. First one you'd like to do is list the resources, which will give you a list of all the processing resources that are currently in use and that are currently being used. And as you can see here, there are 3 of them that are not in use right now. There's node 47, 46, and 45. So what you can do to get these resources is select one of them and then click on Get Resource. And once you do that, you can see that this is one of your processing resources and its IP address is given right here. And you can go back and do a list of resources, and you can see that this one is currently in use and it belongs to you. So before you can go ahead and use this, you need to first program it. To program it, you need to supply the control server with a image file, which will be untarred onto your processing node. So here I will supply the control with the storage information where this tar file is located. And what you also need to do is specify a security file which you will use to SSH into your virtual server. And then once you do that, I can click on Program, and the resource is currently being programmed. It could take up to 2 to 3 minutes to finish programming, and you can check the status of this by using the status command here. The status command will show you if your resource is currently busy. And as you can see here, you can do it multiple times and see that it is currently busy. If you would like to get another resource, you click on it and then get it again. And you see you get a new IP address for it. And if you click on it and you check the status, you can see that it's free. Subsequently, if you would like to release this resource, you can click on Release Resource. And the resource is released. If you go back to list resources, you can see there's only one being used. And if you'd like to check the status of it, you can see that it's now currently free and it's done programming. If you go back to the main GUI, and if you refresh the tab, you can see that you're using one processing resource.